In this video, I'm going to show you how to connect your Nikon Coolpix S6300 in order to live stream to any social media platform. But before we begin, I want to show you the things that you will need. Camera, you're going to need a battery, you're going to need the ClearClick device. This is going to transfer your video and audio to the PC. And then you're going to need a AV cable for the Nikon Coolpix. This is specifically made to connect to the Nikon. And I'm going to show you how to connect all this, and let's get started. The AV out for this camera is right here. Okay, so we successfully connected all the devices. Now all we need to do is connect this to the PC, and I'll jump into the program and I'll show you how to turn this on and get it ready for a live stream. A very exciting moment. Let's see if this actually works for the Nikon S6300. So now we have launched OBS. We connected all of our peripherals, and here's just how you're going to set this up. So what you want to look for is the ClearClick device, which is right here. It's already connected to the camera. It's moment of truth. Let's see. So I want to show you. We go into capture device. You're going to double click on that guy. And see this drop down menu right here. Okay, we're gonna drop down and we're gonna look for ClearClick, which is right there. Let's click on that. As you can see, oh no, it's blue, but it's okay. We haven't turned on the camera. I'm gonna show you in a few minutes how that's gonna look. So hopefully everything works out. Let's see if it does. We're gonna hit OK camera, and then we're gonna run the recording, and let's see it in action. So let's turn on the camera. So there it is. It's working. All right, so I'm not gonna set the time and date. I just want to get it working so you can stream it. So let's just say no to that, and then the lens pops up. Here we go. We are now recording. So let's put the phone down and let's actually record some video. So you can live stream now. So if you wanted to live stream, you just go to the tab right there and you go to start streaming, and you'll be able to stream using the camera. Now it does have a focusing square on it, but you can easily get rid of that in the menu. So let's record some so you can see what it actually looks like when you start to stream. So let's do it now. Okay, we are now recording with the Nikon S6300, and good to see you. So we're streaming successfully. There is a focusing square on the face, and I'm not sure how to get rid of that. So here we are. We have successfully connected the camera. So now, depending on your setup, this is a very raw setup, so it's probably not the best, but I just wanted to show you a quick demonstration of what that looks like on here. And yeah, this is the setup. And yeah, if you enjoy this, you can get rid of the focusing square in the menu, which I'll do in a few seconds. I just didn't anticipate. I just wanted to quickly set it up for you and show you that it's working perfectly. All right, yeah, this is how it looks like, and now you're ready to go vintage.